Hey everyone, me Kevin here. Welcome back to another market close. Oh wow, we have some really crazy moves here in the stock market going into the close. And what's always so crazy is it's Friday, which means in this particular case, we're not going to be able to do anything for 3 whole days. We're going to wake up and we're going to look at our phones and go, "Damn, no pre-market. Market closed." And it's kind of going to suck cuz it's fun. The problem is it's especially fun when things are going well. It's not so fun when things are selling off. Things can go either way. So on Fisker, we've pretty much been flat on the trade. Fisker hasn't really gone anywhere. If you wanted to sell and be flat, you could do that. If you wanted to hold on to it, you could do it. But then you look at OGI and OG, that thing has pretty much given up all of its gains for the day as cannabis has sold off. So unfortunately, that one is going to become a diamond hander because that's what you do when the price starts going down. You go, fine, diamond hands into the pockets, and we'll focus on the other things, specifically CCIV. Now, OGI, I've got 25K in it. CCIV, holy crap. What happened? Oh my God. Hold on, look at this. What? I knew it was up like 13%, and I'm like, oh yay, it's up another 3 percentage points. But look at this. Holy crap. It's up 20 freaking percent right now. Like, talk about, oh my God, talk about printing money here. And see what oh sorry, hold on. There's sound going on here. Let me turn this on. There we go. What you'll find is when I have something high conviction, I go heavy in it. And some people are like, oh, Kevin, that's reckless. So you find the amount of money I put into a stock kind of aligns with my conviction level. And I put 500K into CCAV at like 1930 or something like that. I am blown away that this is trading up 21% right now, that this is going to $40. There's no announcement yet. It's just more rumors. This is insane. Oh my gosh. I got to pull it up here. Hold on. Let's see. All right. Let's look at the Webull here because this is crazy. This merger better happen, because if this merger doesn't happen, like this is gonna like lose like 70% of its money like real fast, right? But let's look at the position on this thing. This is so crazy. I mean, we'll look at the Bloomberg terminal to see if there was any kind of special news just in the last little bit here, but I don't think there was. Let's see. CCIV. This doesn't even. Oh my gosh. We might, on this live stream, that would be crazy. On this live stream, we might break $1 million position if this rally continues here on CCIV. That's nuts. Oh my gosh. Oh, now it's at 969. 969, 967, 968. You got to stop looking at it. You got to stop looking at it. But anyway, why? I got to figure out, we're going to pull up the Bloomberg terminal and figure out what kind of news is there on CCIV. Bloomberg terminal was updated to show Lucid Motors was proposed. Yeah, but that was old. That was old news though, wasn't it? I mean, I saw that yesterday. I saw, hold on. I'm going to pull up the terminal right now. I don't know. What I do want to say, I'll pull up the terminal. We'll look at it here. What I do want to say is while I pull this up here, remember, the beauty about stocks is when they go down, they get cheaper. When they go down, they become less risky. When they go up, they become more risky. So CCIV doing this is nice, but it also sets up for a bigger potential fall on Monday, right? On Mondays, I mean, look, CCIV, anytime there's a rumor, this thing runs like crazy on rumors. Then if you go 3-4 days without a rumor, the thing starts deflating like a balloon. It's crazy. You got to keep that in mind. Now, look, I love it. It's a big position for me. I can, have a lot of OGIs deflate and it won't matter with the position like that. But just so to be very clear, I am going to hold OGI because I think we had a sell-off here on Sundial that really spilled over. Like, there was a real lack of enthusiasm in the markets today. I could not find anything particularly on OGI in terms of why it would start selling. I think it's just a lot of trader momentum took out because they didn't want to hold into it through a Tuesday, of course. Yes, because Monday the market is closed. Oh, I'm showing myself twice. So through Tuesday. If I say Monday again, just know I mean Tuesday. So we know the market's closed. Okay, so let's go see here. So I'm going to be holding that. A hold OGI. We'll talk more about that one next week. So Tuesday to Friday, we'll figure out when the right time is to exit OGI. It's not when it's down, 17% or whatever happened today. But instead, let's look at CCIV. I don't know that there was news here. Let's see. CCIV. I'm down 6K. I put all my money in SNDL. I knew I shouldn't. Do you think it's going to hit $3 next week? It's really hard to say. You got to be careful with these. I mean, the same thing is true with OGI. So I'm going to be transparent here. Like the cannabis sector goes in deep cycles. Know this. Like it'll go up and then it'll go down for weeks at a time. It's possible we could bag hold OGI, or if you're in SNDL, you might hold the bag on that one for it could be weeks. Depending on how high you bought at SNDL. If you bought like 480, that's I don't know if we're gonna get there soon. A lot of people do think so, but let's get CCIV on here. But we do get these. It's very normal to have these very abrupt ups and downs in the cannabis space. So you just have to know that when you play the game in cannabis. So it's nothing to lose sleep over. I'm not worried about it at all. So let's get individual company news. Let's see what I have here. They offered, I'm trying to understand what's going on here on Friday. Why Churchill Capital SPAC stood out in a mixed market. Why does this have a time that hasn't happened yet? Oh, that's Eastern. That's why. Okay. I'm pretty sure it's 12:39. So what happened here? Okay, CCIV, yeah. We know this is just trading on rumors. Okay, big day for CCIV. CCIV had two reasons to celebrate Friday morning. Churchill Capital shares were up more than 10% as shareholders continued to speculate about the deal with Lucid. Okay. Not announced. Friday's optimism stemmed from a photo shared on an investor website purporting a screenshot from the Bloomberg terminal with information about a proposed deal. Okay, here's why. Let's see what you got. Where's the screenshot? They said this was going to be the screenshot. It wasn't the screenshot. Well, we're in the Bloomberg terminal, so we'll look at it. Okay, let's see. I have no idea. The terminal has been modifying a little bit over the last few days regarding CCIV, and that's been pretty exciting for a lot of folks, but I don't see anything particularly happening here. Goes up every Friday, every week. Oh, that's a good track, really. Is it just consistently Friday and what sell off at the beginning of the week? That's funny. If that's a good pattern, if you're able to find that, and that is true. So let's see. Yeah. Oh, well. I will try to get to deals here one more time. So there's a deal section usually under charting and reporting that we can look at to understand a little bit more maybe about CCIV. Let me share the actual picture here. So social activity chart, news activity charts, point and figure, market picture. No. We want to know about merger. Technicals. Let's go back a little bit here. Now, I don't know where Michael Klein applied for a new SPAC. Just sold puts on Palantir and bought long call options with the money. Why? Because Kevin's gonna buy. That's funny. So let's see if we can find anything. Maybe we can Twitter this up. I bet you we can. We could probably find that screenshot on Twitter quicker than I can actually find it in here. So CCV, busy replying to YouTube comments made me miss out on Tesla at 796. Hey, we were watching that thing as it was at 785. Okay, so Alex, we interviewed him on the channel. Buy and sell orders. Look at the big buys. Yep. Okay, CCIV. Who's got the terminal picture? Oh, here we go. Okay, info may change preliminary. How do I get to this page? It's under M&A transaction details. A consortium led by Venrock Associates proposed to sell Lucid Motors to Churchill Capital. I mean, there's nothing more here than just maybe some minor updated rumors, right? And I think that's why we're seeing this dramatic push. I wish I could figure out how to get to mergers. Does anybody know what button to push? So it's not going to be a charting, reporting, research and estimates, comparative analysis, company analysis. Maybe we could see it under company analysis. Relative. No. Okay, so this is more ownership summary. It's going to tell us who's in on it. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. No, this is just going to tell us who's in on this. Hedge fund manager, 60% in on this. Wow. Yeah. All right. All right. Let's get back to the sticks here. Why? Basically, the story is we've got Churchill Capital up 21%. I mean, look at that money. Look at the candle on AFA. Okay, let's look at that. Afria. Oh no. Okay, you got a nice up candle here, huh? Is that what you're referring to? Yeah. Look at this one. This is the one that I mentioned this morning. I'm not gonna buy this because I don't think it's gonna sustain the news. And it has sold off all day too, Artello. So I made a good decision not buying that. But again, OGI followed the same sell-off, so that was a bummer, but oh well. Fisker, okay, up 20, okay, up a little bit over the purchase, so that's good. So we're green on Fisker. EHang came back a little bit because it had a little sell-off period here. Riot doing great. I mean, look at this upswing going into the close here on Riot, really pushing. Even Shift Technologies is pushing a little bit towards the end here. Planet 13, PayPal, whoa, Bumble falling. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh, why? Oh, look at that. Ooh, the IPO euphoria gone. Oh. CCIV up every Friday in hopes of an early Monday morning. Oh, because maybe they'll announce something before market on Monday or maybe Saturday or Sunday or something like that. In this case, Tuesday. I see. I've asked Gary Black to come on. We could talk about Tesla. I know he's sold out of Tesla. If somebody has a connection, I'll gladly have him on. We could talk about it. CCIV still running. Oh my gosh. That is absolutely incredible. What's Doji doing? Dogecoin. Doge, Dogie, Loogie. Let's pull it up here. I'm surprised because Elon Musk did to. Oh my God, yeah, it has a straight line up. But just 0.7 though. It just ran up from 0.67. Here, I'll share it really quick. It's consolidating a little bit again, coming back down. Yeah, ran up to about 71. Just a weird, all of a sudden bump there. Let's go to live. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that was a ramp. Oh, that's interesting. I love the market close because the market close, Bumble lost its sting. Oh no. Yeah, what do they say? Bees can only sting once, right? What's FFN? Like Fox Fronting Network? No, I don't know. I'm making things up. Torchlight, another one that's just moving here. Giving up some of its gains that it really had during the day. I mean, it really blew up during the day and kind of selling off. A lot of things today selling off. I have to say, I mean, look, the Churchill Capital, this is printing big tendies here like crazy. It's insane. Oh, there we go. I mean, this is printing insane tendies going into the close. But almost everything else, soft close. Just a weak close, it seems like. Etsy did go up 3% on the day, though. I'm surprised at this pricing. Enphase up about 3% on the day. Zillow up again, going to 200. Unreal. I mean, Zillow has just been a money printer too. Square, where's Redfin today? Oh, look, Tesla turned green into the close. Tesla's rallying into the close. Wow. Hey, if you listened to the alert to pay attention and buy Tesla this morning when we were over here, when I sent the alert out, you made a nice 40 points today. No, 30 points. That's nice. That's really good. That's a good swing on Tesla there. Yeah, Sundial selling off. Yeah, see, that's the Sundial sell-off is going to pull OGI down. That's what's happening with the OGI. It's the Sundial sell-off just accelerating or maintaining. Oh, look, even Redfin's down a little bit into the close here. Big kind of sell-off this last hour into the close here. Redfin's nice. If this gets under 90, I might nibble on it. Gets under 80, I'm much more interested in. OGI has turned negative for the day. I mean, very depressing. Very depressing. We broke out of the box. I mean, in hindsight, and it's hindsight, right? But in hindsight, as soon as we broke out of this box that we had, should have sold. That's hindsight, though. What are you going to do about that? You know, that's we had the breakout. It pushed up, didn't set a limit, didn't move on it. Oh well. Now we're holding the bag. Okay, no problem. I'm not going to sell it at a loss. I'll pick it up. I'll deal with it next week. I will fix it next week. Churchill. Jeez, man, 24%. This is insane. Wait, have we hit it yet? Let's see. Because we're gonna hit this. Positions. Hold on. We got to see if we're gonna hit it. Churchill. Why do they make it so hard? Alphabet. Oh, we did it. We did it. Look at the market value on the CCIV for me. Oh my gosh, it is officially doubled. Cost of $503,000. Sent the alert to course members on that one, and boom, it is up double. And I bought this January 19th. That's when I sent the alert out. You can still go through the history and see it. That's insane. Hold on. Okay, there we go. I had to put this in. I totally forgot to do this. Okay, wow, that is crazy. 1,013,000 right now. I'm scared because, like, if this merger doesn't happen, this whole thing is going to go from like $1 million to like 300K. It's going to be, it could be ugly. Could be ugly. Oh man. Okay. All right. So let's see what else is going on here. CRISPR didn't end up reporting earnings, and neither did Shift. There were a couple issues there. Yeah, Clever went up during the CNBC and then sold off afterwards. That happens. Beam. We'll look at Beam here really quick. Lucid worth 60 bill. Yeah, it's a little excessive, I feel like. Sell it, right? Oh my god, the taxes I'd have to pay right now. No. Lucid isn't a trade. I mean, it wouldn't shock me for this to go back to like 31 again. Like I don't understand this run into the close here. It's pretty intense. I mean, this has like Nikola momentum, which I hate ever comparing anything to Nikola, but it has Nikola momentum. If this passed Neo in market cap, that might be the time where it's like, okay, now we're getting a little extreme. If this was like a $50, $60 SPAC, that might be a little more intense, or might make more sense. So let's see. Fisker is just a nothing, whatever. Ehang, SOS has been, kind of flat in the day here. It did start off. The first half of the day was strong and then flattened out here. So I don't know what Beam is. Beam Global. Let's look at this. Take profits. Yeah. Well, CCIV is not a swing though for me. Beam stock, Beam Global. Oh, it's a solar construction company. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. So let's see here. What's losing right now? Yeah, you take profits on a trade. On a long hold, I try to delay profits. It's like Tesla. I've got tons of profits on Tesla, but I'm just gonna end up buying more of it. Gosh, Affirm really got beat to crap here. Look at this, down 10% right now. Jeez, I'm trying to figure out what Beam is. So let's do it together really quick. Let's go into the Bloomberg here. On the terminal was the merger page you're looking for on the terminal, MAMADL. So how do I get to that? Do I type in, I go to MA and then I go to MADL is what you're saying. Yeah, because if we could find that, that'd be cool. We'll see that live. We could get the absolute latest here. So the merger page is MA. Okay, so maybe I could just type in MA. Mergers and acquisition, CCIV. No. Maybe I could do that. Can I do this? Is that going to work? Mergers. No. Where's... Okay, I get the MA... What was the other thing you said? I could do MADDA. DL. MADL. Mergers and acquisitions deal list. Okay, and then CCIV. MADL. Oh, it's right here. Oh, here we go. I got it. See, the whole the whole thing from that screenshot is gone, isn't it? Proposed to acquire. This is all older information here. I mean, I know people are getting excited about this. Did it really just break 40? What the HE double hockey sticks? Oh my gosh. It was it was going to be DirecTV, and then it switched to Lucid as the current proposed. That's insane. Okay, well, thank you for that. MADA. That's crazy. Let's see here. Did we really break 40? Oh my gosh. Wow. Jeez. Yeah. Like, if this for some reason, if it next week went to like 60 or something like that, I don't know. That's when we start topping out, I think. 40 in the world that we're in right now for a Tesla competitor that potentially has some really sick technology. You know, I'm interested. I mean, I'm holding this thing. You know, this has the fundamental thesis. It breaks down a little bit at the higher values, obviously, because it's expensive. But we'll see what happens here. So we got another 7 minutes left of the day. Sundial up 14.6. I mean, I'm really proud that I went in heavy on the CCAV. That's exciting. But you know, I think the Matterport's up as well, but I think it sold off a bit today, unfortunately. Let's see the GHVI. Here it is. Yeah, 2% today. Okay, so we're still over 16. For me, Matterport, like if this goes back under 15, you buy this thing. You buy this thing under 15. So, yeah, I mean, I know Lucid feels overvalued, but so does Tesla, right? That's the thing. Yeah, I know United Wholesale Mortgage. I know the company. I think it's a great company. Just the market doesn't care about the mortgage companies right now. It's frustrating, you know? I'm right there with you. It's very frustrating. Folks, EXPI has been printing the tendies too. It's rallying into the close a bit here as well. I mean, it's nothing like the Lucid, but even EXPI is rallying into the close. We got 29% on CCI. I mean, it went up 10% in just the last 10 minutes here. That's ridiculous. Clever Leaf pushing into the close. See, I don't know. This one of the reasons I wanted to hold over this weekend is because I think people are going to come back into this market on Tuesday and they're going to be a little bit more, you know, comfortable again, especially about cannabis. We'll see. CCIV, it wouldn't shock me if it had a little bit of a red on Tuesday, but I also think we're close to an announcement on this. I think I don't want to be out of this one until there's an announcement. And even after an announcement, CCIV could just be a long hold. We'll see. Yeah, Tilray, the cannabis really pained here. So Tesla pushing into the close too. Really, really good moves on Tesla here. You got Sundial, Square. Wow. I sent an alert to course members to buy Square at 230 is when I bought this thing. And the thing went down to like 210 at some point. I can't believe it's at 270 now. How? I mean, that's like what, 13, 14% in not that much time? That's crazy. What is happening in this market? That's kooky. Just kooky. QuantumScape. Quantum's been flat all day. Fisker's been flat all day. EXPI. Okay, so we got a little bit of a red candle popping up over here on EXPI coming down. I wanted to go shopping for something, but I don't know what. Let's see. What Palantir didn't get to my 30. Come on, man. This thing gets to 30. We're going in on this puppy. Bigger than I am. Oh yeah, I was gonna do Beam on the Bloomberg terminal. Give me 1 sec. Then I will do that. Pinterest. I think Pinterest was front page news on the Financial Times today because of a potential acquisition by Microsoft, but those talks kind of fizzled. So I think this stock ran on hopium, and then if this can get back under 70, certainly under 70, gets back under 75, that's when I'm looking at Pinterest again. So if we get a sell-off in Pinterest, that's probably where I'm jumping back in. Redfin, we got to get under 80. I'm not going to add to Matterport until this goes under 15. Would love to interview the CEO. That'll be really cool if that could happen. We've got, by the way, if you join the public Discord, you could look at the public Discord. You will actually see. In fact, let me just show you what I've got a little schedule up. I think it's going to be really cool. Take a look at this here. 1 sec. I'm going to look at Beam in 1 sec, I promise. Take a look at the schedule that I put up. So this is under the public section, so you can see this in the news alerts. So this is the live stream we're doing now. It's like we're on a cruise ship, okay? It's like we're on a cruise ship. We get to we get to have a schedule here. So 9 a.m. on Saturday, we're doing a day trading tutorial with Trey. Then I'm talking to a fund manager on the market in general at 12 p.m. Pacific time tomorrow. Then at 8 a.m. Pacific time, I'll be talking to the CEO of Arcimoto at 8 a.m. on. Oh, that's supposed to say Sunday. Oopsies. There we go. Sunday, Arcimoto CEO at 8 a.m. We'll be talking to Jeremy at 12 p.m. And then Wednesday, we've got Monroe Live. So that'll be fun. I think we've got a really good calendar. If you know anybody that wants to be on the show, hit me up. Okay, so what's this talk about Beam? What's all this excitement here? So let's look at Beam here. So Beam's definitely moved since December after the Biden election. It's a solar panel planner, architect, and inventor. Designs and deploys clean energy systems for EVs. Okay, it's got the EV sex appeal. So what do they actually sell? Like, what's their actual product here? And we got 1 minute into the close. So, no, Beam EV. I want to get their website really quick. Beam for all. Okay, here we go. So we'll look at Beam in just a sec. I do want to look at the sticks going into the close, though. So sticks going into the close. CCIV softened a couple percentage points here into the close. Not a big deal here. Fisker flat into the close. We got Clever up 12% into the close. Little soft from where I added a bit, but that's okay. I'm still net up on this position. So if you followed on the Clever, we're still net up on that one. That's a 1 to 2 year hold. Bumble gave up some of its gains here. We've got EXP up 7%, Peloton 5%. Possibly following the Nordic up here, not trying to let Nordic get away from it. In the losers, Tilray, Hyliion, Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic just cannot catch a break. Really frustrating for the Virgin Galactic. Sundial actually gaining a little bit into the close here. Let's listen to the bell.
Are doing well. Disney, the worst performer, despite better numbers on the streaming Disney Plus. There goes the bell. All 4 major averages closing the session higher on a Friday and for the week. NASDAQ and S&P 500 closing out with a record high, each gaining about 0.5% apiece. Wilfred.
Record high there for the S&P 500. Welcome to the Closing Bell, everyone. I'm Wilfred Frost, along with Sarah Eisen and Mike Santoli, CNBC senior markets commentator. Let's check in on where we finished. As Sarah said, back into the green for all of the major averages. The Dow had been down 83 at the low.
Look at that day. I mean, what happened today? I mean, we really got like slaughtered in the charts during the day, but rallied into the close.
1.24% for the week as a whole. NASDAQ up 0.5%, 1.7% for the week as a whole. The Russell has been more volatile, but also closing with the week's biggest gains, 2.5%. Energy, the big outperformer today, at 1.4%. Materials, the other sector, up more than 1%. Utilities and real estate, the bottom 2 performing sectors. Oil really surged, as Mike said, into the close, up 2.5%. Coming up, a CNBC exclusive with the CEO of GoDaddy. We'll break down the company's earnings report and how the work from home trend could impact his business. Jim LeCamp.
Interesting. Somebody says I'm cutting in and out. Is anybody else having an issue? Maybe refresh in the event that is just you. How do we join the course that gets alerts? Oh, it's Stocks and Psychology of Money. You pay one time, you get the alerts forever. Stocks and Psychology of Money. It really takes you, the lectures start out slow. It starts off like you're a rock, okay? It takes you like literally from negative to all the way through. And if you listen to all the lectures, it's really, really, a lot of people love it when they listen to all of them. Stocks and Psychology of Money. That's the one you're looking for if you want. And then you'll get like my buy, sell alerts and things like that. Okay, so let's look at the sticks here. Thanks for asking. Appreciate you. So let's look at these sticks here. So what do we got? Aurora Cannabis down 13% today, recovering about 0.5% into the after hours. Affirm down 10%, staying flat. Hyliion. Look, if you've got money in Hyliion and you've made money on Hyliion, for me, I'm down with you taking profits, okay? I'm down with you taking profits. I don't think hybridization is the future. I appreciate Hyliion. If somebody's got a connection to the CEO, let's bring him on. Let's hit up the Hyliion CEO. Let's understand, am I being too skeptical on Hyliion? You know, XL Fleet, same thing. Am I being too much of a dick by saying I don't think there's a break-even cost on hybrid pickup trucks? I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. Oh my God, CCIV pushing. Look at that. Push it up. Oh, the green candle in the after hours. It's too much. It's too much. It's not stopping. This is mania. Mania today. I can't handle it. It's too good. It's too good. It has to fall. There's going to be too much euphoria. It must go down. We cannot handle this. It's too much. Too much. Okay. So let's see what else we have here. So let's keep going. We got Sundial. A Sundial actually going up into the close here. So that's good. Let's see what else we have here. I've been having lag, sound little cutting in and out, refresh rate keeps buffering. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's try to see what's going on. That's not good. Okay, you are cutting in and out. Okay, a few of you all saying that. That's not good. Is it better now? Okay, I hope it's better now. I mean, I don't think there's anything I could really do. I just gotta hope it's better. Stop talking. Yeah, stop talking about CCIV. Okay, we'll look away. We'll look away from CCIV. Okay, folks. Lots of let's see here. Look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin moving up to, over 47,000 right now, up $400 here. We've got let's see, let's just look at after hours movers right here. So after hours, there we go. Come on, recover OG. Let's go, OG. We got to chant it. OG, let's go. Right? I don't know, something like that. I got to work on that. Workhorse is waiting for Congress, man. You wait for Congress, you drop too. Workhorse. Oh, we're gonna look at the Beam website. Eric Kim, what'd you tell me? Eric Kim says he told me, but I don't know what you told me. Workhorse 36. I mean, that's not bad. I think if Workhorse gets under 30, I'd buy it. It's like a Palantir for me. 30 is the thing to do. Palantir. Yeah. I think we're doing better now here. So what do we got? I think we caught up in terms of Palantir. Come on, push down. Let's go. And seriously, I don't want anybody to lose money on Palantir. I just want it to go to 29 so I could buy it. And then I could shut up about it going to $30. Okay. Then we go on the rocket ship to the moon. Like, I need you all to come back to Earth for a moment. Get on. Everybody get on. And then we go. That's the plan. For Palantir, okay? That's the plan. So, OGI, come on, push. Yeah, that's a good trend line. This is what I like to see. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Can we get this? Can we get this back over our moving average over here, our 200? Jeez, man. Let's put some EMA lines on. Oh, I got EMAs. I got the 5 and I got the 20. Oh, those colors suck. Hold on. Let's get some better colors for these EMA lines. Let's go bright turquoise, and let's go with like a nice red here on the 20. There we go. That's better. Okay. So let's see if we can break. I certainly want to break the 200 again over here, the simple moving average. And I think we might. I think we're going to pop right back over this. This was all pain over here. This was pure pain. Is Quantum going up again? Quantum scrap? It is. Oh my God. Wow. Look at that rally right through the close here. Because this was up like 20% on the close too, right? Yeah, 21% on the close, up another 2% in after hours. Oh, I'm going to get tendies back on Quantum because I went down a little bit. One person here still mentioning a little bit of lag. I'm sorry. You know, I don't think there's anything that I can do about that while I'm in the middle of streaming. But let's go jump on over to Beam really quick, okay? We were talking about Beam. So look at this. So we got some folks who are excited about Beam. No permitting, no construction, no electrical work, no utility bills. Oh, man, this company wants to pump. Okay, can I not get volume? Oh no, I haven't figured out how to do this volume mixer yet. Darn thing. But I could switch this into no. That's not worth it. We don't have to we don't have to hear audio. One day I'll get audio back. So what is this? We believe every person deserves safe, clean, reliable transportation. I mean, I'm not really saying anything here. Well, maybe because I'm not listening. Okay. So what is this? It's solar panel charging, right? Is that what everybody's jumping up and down about on this one? Okay, so I get solar panels, 20% efficiency from the sun. You know, a lot of room for improvement. Cool. You can monitor your solar panels. Yay. We got connections. Oh, lug nut. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Look at the sparks fly. Where's Taylor Swift when you need her? Woo! She doesn't need B-roll anymore. She's got it right here. You know, I mean, honestly, I probably should be listening to what they're saying, but we don't have audio on this thing right now, so we're not. Oh, I mean that's pretty cool looking. So it's like a whole solar panel box, and oh, look at that. Oh, and then you're in the shade. Oh, I do like that though. Oh, that is cool. There's no way though. There is no way those panels are efficient enough to get you enough charge. I mean, they're. I don't know if that's prototype or what. There's no way. I mean, you got. Hold on. Let's do some math here. 1, 2, 2 times 3, 6. You got an array of 12 panels. 12 panels times. Let's call them 300. Let's go generous and say they're 350 watt panels. You're doing 4 kilowatts. You're doing 4 kilowatts. You know, an hour. Times usual during the day sun operation. If you put them in sunny spots and you're lucky, you're at 6. So you're doing 25 kilowatts. How is this going to fill up? How is this going to fill up a car? I don't understand. How is 25 kilowatts going to fill up my 100 kilowatt battery? So they have to have some kind of massive battery that basically sits with the product for this to work. I have to do some more research on this. I have questions for this technology. I get the whole EV fleet charging thing, but you know, my initial, I'm skeptical here. Okay, skeptical. All right, here. Set y'all's video quality to 480p and you will quit buffering. You see, it's YouTube. It's not your boy Kevin. It's YouTube that's feeding you. They're trying to the suits are trying to keep us down. That's what they're doing. It's the suits are doing this because we're winning too much. Too much winning. Tops blew out. Oh my God. Oh, where'd CCIV go? Hold on. CCIV's gone. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, it's right. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's just it gave up its little 3% there, but it's fine. What's Tops? So what's happening at Tops? This thing's blowing up. Okay, let's understand Tops. Let's go. Right now, we'll figure this out together. Let's go. So it's up 11% in the after hours. What do we got going on? Tops among industrial gains. Okay, what is this? Seeking Alpha Tops. Let's do a top search here. Lots of bearish people on this one, which is fine. I'll read your bearish. They have massive batteries. Okay, thank you. So stock surfing, I mean, they would have to have a huge, like, how are they not going to run out of capacity, though? Because people are using the chargers all the time. I mean, there has to be a downtime. So I wonder if this is like a niche product that you could use like in the middle of nowhere where there's no infrastructure. Like, why wouldn't you just grid hook up and not have a potential downtime? Stock surfing. I'm going to look for your comment there because I'm interested. Tops is the worst performing stock listed on the major U.S. stock exchange, driven by its 10 reverse splits and highly toxic and dilutive financing. We got ourselves a bull here. Tops has a dubious distinction of being the worst performing stock. See, this is like very bullish here, while still maintaining a listing. Jeez, man. That's a 99.99999% decline. A constant stream of heavy dilution and corresponding reverse splits. Jeez, there's no indication. Okay. So is that, I mean, can somebody just, what is this? Purchase fleet. Conclusion, avoid buying Tops at all costs until CEO has exercised his preferred shares. Okay. Tops stock. So what is this company? So hold on. Yep, I agree. It has to be a massive battery. It takes the space of one spot. Yes. But still, Elon Musk spoke about how solar power for car charging on Joe Rogan. He noted it wasn't viable. Man, I still haven't finished that podcast. I'm on the Mars discussion. I'm so early. Get better internet. Oh, that's it. Here we go. Now we got to do a speed test. Watch, it comes in at like 5 megabits. Watch, this is embarrassing. Oh, come on. I mean, this is the downs, but I think we're doing pretty well right here. I have a couple of shares in CCAV. Nice. Sundial just made a 10-day NASDAQ compliance. Oh, good. So yeah, I don't know why we have the buffering. I mean, we're doing pretty good on upload here as well. So it must be the suits, folks. It's the suits. The suits are keeping us down. Oh, the upload speed's declining a little bit here. Oh, that's interesting. Look at that. Over time, it's declining. That is interesting. Yeah, that's not so good. I don't know why it would do that. Yeah. Oh well, that's not good. So, okay, I do want to understand more about Beam. Let's see if they're actually selling anything here. Okay. The 50p. Yeah, let's just go to audio only. That's what we'll do. We'll go to audio only on the oh, did we have a spike there? Okay, let's go to Beam. So what do we got here? Ratios. Unless you're a swing trader, go tops. Let's look at their revenue here. Okay, so revenue. I mean, they're actually projecting revenue here. 20 million, 34 million. They did 5 mil. How did they do 5 mil? I mean, 5 mil. What's the market cap of this puppy? So let's go Beam. Maybe it's for emergency use. That's my guess, is that these solar chargers are for like emergency use or something like that. Not Beam Therapeutics. It has to be Beam Electric Vehicle. So let's go BEM stock. And this has a market cap. I mean, it's got a $440 million market cap. I will write that down. I'll do some research on that over the weekend. I'm not convinced about that technology. I like the EV space a lot. I've got my questions. So we're not buying a Lambo. No. We were buying more day trades. That's what we were doing. Tops just gave up. Tops literally just threw in the towel here. Like, I don't know what happened to Tops here. But then again, what happened to CCIV? It's not even on the chart right now. Oh, that's not good. CCIV. Oh, no, there it is. It's up 2%. Okay, yeah, hell yeah. Can't touch our CCIV. CCIV, this is... You're up 336% on CCIV? You must have gotten in at like 13 then. Or did you buy... You didn't buy a 10. Did you buy a 10? You blindly bought this, didn't you? How much money did you put in? I mean, congratulations. I'm happy for you. So, Clever giving up a little bit here. That's okay. Sundial actually giving up again in the after hours after a little rally there right into the close. It's Vlad. Vlad's shutting us down, boys and girls. OGI's flat. Holicity is going to sell off into the weekend as well. Okay. All right. I mean, it's an interesting market right now. Beam, that's the right ticker, right? Hold on, Beam. Yeah. That's the EV. Low volume, very, very low. Even during the day, very tiny company. I mean, Shift has more volume than Beam, but then again, yeah. I mean, there's a price difference, so I have to adjust for that. Enphase going up in the after hours. Tesla going up in the after hours. Really bounced off that 785 low. Cloudflare bouncing up a little bit here. Let's listen to this for a sec. This could be interesting.
Crashed. So what happens to all of this discussion and adoption and all the things that you're trying to encourage and really believe in if we see that kind of volatility again?
That's such a great question, and one that we deal with a lot. I've been in this business for 6 years. At CoinShares, we have $4 billion in assets under management. And the cyclical nature of Bitcoin has been part of the story for some time. I think part of the conversation is around the cyclical sort of volatility of Bitcoin, which tends to operate in cycles like we see in any other asset. But
okay, it's volatile. I raised the volume, by the way, on my mic. Somebody mentioned that my CNBC volume was a lot higher than my mic. So hopefully this is closer now.
I think the cyclical trend may be volatile in the short to medium term, but the secular trend, which is really what we're looking at here, bodes very well for Bitcoin and gold, by the way, and other assets that are inherently deflationary in nature.
Meltem, thank you for joining us.
That's it.
Good luck with that weekend work.
That was boring. Sorry about the I have no idea what's happening with the buffering. Somebody's asking me about nuke power. I am a fan. I was actually very sad to hear that Germany was getting rid of all their nukes. And my super chat is almost gone. Oh no. Which one is it? Let's see. Actually, I don't even see it. Sorry. Sorry, maybe ask whatever you had anyway. But anyway, yeah, nuke power I'm a big fan of. I think it's just the waste is a problem, right? Beam can set up a charging station in hours. That's their niche. Here, the problem though is if you have 12 panels, okay? So let's say you do that. You're like, you know what? I could set up a charging station in hours because we don't have to hook it up to utility, right? Fine. You roll it out there, but what? To charge a car like once? Like, you know, I mean, if you're doing solar power with 12 panels, you're charging the car at 4 kilowatts an hour. Dude, the utility connected machines are doing like 200 kilowatts an hour, you know? No. Beam, I'm sorry. Beam will disappear quick. I'm sorry. Yeah. Kevin, did Robinhood cut you off on the 4 stocks when you sign up? They're not doing that promotion anymore. I don't think I'm cut off, but they're not doing that anymore. Look at the CCA Matterport, other Matterport cameras. Sure. Like, you mean like competitors or other like devices they sell? Maybe clarify that one on Matterport. Make sure you say Matterport too when you reply. Look at CCIV volume. Okay. CCIV after hours volume. Yeah. Well, I mean, after hours plummets, right? But it's at what, 30 to 60,000 in after hours. Yesterday in after hours, early in the after hours period, we were way lower. So we have a lot of volume. Oh, wow. Yeah, much more volume right now in the after hours. That's a lot of volume on CCIV. Yeah. Baller says, I've been in this business 80 years. Which business is that? Solar panels will be on every roof because why not? Of course they should be. Watching 40 seconds behind fix the lag. Oh, okay. Meet Kevin, the low pressure day trader. Yeah. Hey, it's all relativity, right? On the money we make or lose. Oh, did I expose my IP address? Great. Perfect. Just that's it. Now we're getting hacked. We're gonna get DDoSed. Now we're screwed. Let's see. So call it deflationary by nature. What are we talking about? Baller been in this business for 80 years. I don't know. Okay. Why don't we have nuclear reactors in our houses yet? Yeah, great. Okay, what else? Is Kevin getting DDoS now? I hope not. I'm just trying to provide value. Okay. Let's see here. What else can we do? So, Artello selling off here. We've got, let's go to the all stock position here. Let's see. Oh, let's listen to this for a second. Market, what's this? What do you got, Sarah?
Sarah, potential is a key word here. This is Bank of America's Bull Bear Indicator. It's made up of a composite of market behavioral things, actual positioning flows, credit spreads, things like that, not just what people say, whether they're bullish or bearish. So you see here, it's actually been well on the rise. It's just below, as of today, this threshold where the firm basically said it's time to be on a contrarian basis, looking to sell or reduce risk or expect some kind of correction. I think what's significant about it is many other indicators have been in this mode for a while, showing the market to be euphoric or overheated. This one was not. So the strategy group at B of A has been saying, not yet, not yet, not yet. So maybe it's still going to be not yet, but we're not far away from there. I would point out, 2018, January of 2018 was the last time you actually crossed above that. It did coincide with a short-term market peak. You were down, you had a correction. It did not end the bull market. And prior instances were somewhat similar, where you were coming off of these massive rallies and it was just time to consolidate.
All right. Somebody's asking, if you have not gotten your 4 free stocks with Robinhood, hit up their customer service. They're behind, but hit them up. So here's Idaho Reporter. Somebody posted this in the private stock chat. They mentioned that this hedge fund, let's see, disclosed an 8.6% ownership in Churchill Capital. I honestly think a lot of hedge funds are going to put money into CCIV because they don't want to miss on the next Tesla potential. So this does not shock me. It's the hedge funds that are like, they don't like Tesla. They think Tesla's overpriced. They go in on this. This SEC report. Okay. Let's see if we can actually see that under institutional holders. Because this button. CCIV. No, don't hack, Kevin. CCIV. Okay, CCIV. Oops. Yes, the iPhone 12 has the Matterport app, and you could scan with the iPhone 12 as well. Yes, this is why their software is going to be more important than their camera technology in the future. Rolls-Royce making small nuke reactors. I mean, that's pretty cool. I want to see ownership of this. Let's look at the owners, because it would not shock me if you get a ton of, yeah, look at this. Hedge funds going into this like crazy. United States owns 76% of CCIV. Then Canada, 21%. Got 28 mil float. Let's see here. Ownership type percentage. Let's see if we can go a little deeper here. Let's go back. Let's look at history here. Let's go back. It's roughly the same. Let's go back to the beginning of January. Oh, it's pretty much been stable here. Hedge funds holding. Insider transactions. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Historical. Oh, here we go. This is cool. So these are the positions of different funds in... said it's deflationary by nature to dismiss. Wait, the lady on the news that was talking Bitcoin earlier said it's deflationary by nature to dismiss it. What do you mean to dismiss it? Clarify that a little bit for me, if you don't mind. I don't mind talking about that. But yeah, Bitcoin has a limited supply. Let's see here, which means it's not inflationary. Okay, so look at these positions here. So we've got Millennium Management, Polar Asset Management, Periscope, HSBC. I mean, you got a lot of funds in here. I don't even see this one. Magnetar. Maybe that hasn't updated yet. 8% position? 17 million shares? Magnetar, yeah. According to... If that updates, if that's true, that this company has an 8% position in CCIV, they would be the top. They would be the biggest holder here. The 4 free stocks are due the 15th. Oh, thank you for clarifying that. FYI, yes, your iPhone can. I mentioned that. I have the app too. It's not as good yet, but yeah, you can upload to Matterport and use their software. Claims it can charge 6 EVs at a time. Is that Beam? I don't believe it. The math on the panels does not make sense. They have to charge a big battery. Their big battery can maybe do 6 at a time. But when that battery's empty, it's going to take days for it to fill up again. I don't know. I'm a little, maybe I'm just pissy on Beam. Maybe I don't understand it. Tesla is Tesla, and everybody else walks in their footsteps. I mean, I don't terribly disagree. I think Lucid is very healthy competition. We'll see how that goes. I know there's a lot. Oh, yay. OGI up 1.8%. We got a lot to go. Oh, good. Good. This is what I want to see. I want to see green on some of the things that sold off today. Look at this. Marijuana, Hydrofarm pushing up. OGI pushing up. The cannabis ETF pushing up. Good. We've got QuantumScape, CRISPR coming back. Switchback coming back a little bit. Shift. Enphase moving up a little bit more to 207 on Enphase now. Nice. Good growth here. Redfin's coming back. Let's see. Naked down. Sundial down again. Bumble down in after hours. EXPI down a little bit here. IPOE's down a little bit. Okay, this is our final... Kevin, this is our final attempt to reach you regarding your car's extended warranty expiration. I don't care if my warranty expires. Why do I care if my warranty expires? I don't even use the darn thing. Make an offer and buy it from me. You can have it with my face on it. Somebody says they got on Zoom on a low today, made 4%. Good. Litecoin's breaking out. Learning options. So learning options, I'm going to, in the Stocks and Money course, I'm going to start very, very basic with options soon. Within the next couple of weeks, I'm going to do some very basic ideas for options, because options, you can go ridiculous. I mean, I could explain the gammas and the theta decays and the deltas and stuff. Yeah, I think some starting with some basic info on some strategies for calls. Not a bad way to start with options. So that's probably how we'll talk. Let's see. No cable, less sponsor control to better. Last thing you need is corporate control. I think are you referring to solar again? I recommend investing 1 to 2% of your portfolio in fiat to hedge against Bitcoin. So keeping 1 to 2% in cash is what you're saying? To hedge against Bitcoin. But yeah, I mean, there are some benefits you can get with options. Let's see here. Okay. So let's see. Okay, GoDaddy CEO's on. Let's listen to him just for a moment. See if there's anything interesting they're saying.
Having to do that for the first time.
Yeah, you see the growth in small businesses, right? Those people are coming online with stores closed because of COVID. These folks are very creative. They moved online quickly. And you see that growth in the primary and secondary market for us on domains. More people coming in, going online, doing more online. And that's one of the reasons domains grew really, really, really well for us.
I mean, I guess a lot of people would say you are the go-to.
I don't know that we really care too terribly much right now about GoDaddy. There's a question here about a hypothetical question. Should Elon Musk be the head of both SpaceX and Tesla? Eventually, he will fade out of one of those. Eventually, he will be out. So Sundial is down about 1% in after hours. Oh, wait, is Sundial moving? Oh, there we go. No, still down about 1%. Okay. Clever's down 0.5%. I mean, that's barely... Oh, Churchill went negative. Look at that. Churchill actually down in the after hours about 1% right now. That's all right. So let's see. Yeah, SNA. I didn't get in on Sundial. Michael Burry has Tesla shorted. And that is exactly why I will keep buying Tesla. Folks, you buy Tesla and you keep it. Blindfolded. You can't go wrong buying things blindfolded. I do it every day. No, I'm kidding. Let's see here. Okay, so a little bit of sell. That's all right. It's healthy for CCAV to have a little bit of a sell down. I don't want to see this Nikola where it's like $80, $90, right? And then it crashes or something crazy. Okay, what else do we have here? As an electrical engineer, I agree. Solar charging is too slow. Not the way charging is heading. The math doesn't work. I appreciate you for saying that. My favorite one is, this is an urgent warning from the legal department. The favorite disclaimers. Yes. Yes. Am I still bullish on Shift, even though they have not released an earnings date? Yes. Lucid needs self-driving. Yes, they do. They do. They say they're going to get that. And that their cars will be ready to do that. See here. Yeah, these headphones are okay. I think sometimes what's annoying is, and I try to keep turning it off, but if you take them off, it disconnects from the computer, and that's kind of annoying. I don't want them to disconnect, which you could turn off that setting, but it keeps reset. It's annoying. That's one thing that's a little annoying. Thoughts on GNOG? I think iGaming market is getting slept on because of sports betting. Wow. GNOG. I'll write that down. We'll look it up really quick too. GNOG. I've never even heard of this. GNOG. It sounds like eggnog. GNOG. GNOG like eggnog? Golden Nugget. That sounds like Golden Corral. So they SPAC'd. They SPAC'd and went to 18. Okay. GNOG. Golden Nugget. Online gaming. Let's just type in Golden Nugget. Golden Nugget. Yeah. Yeah. Here's Golden Nugget. Oh, is this the casinos? The hotels? Really? And are they doing online gaming? I don't know. I have to look into GNOG to see what this is. We'll go back to the 6. I wrote it down, though. I'll look into that a little bit more in detail. So let's see. EXPI in the near future. I think in the near future, it could go down a chunk. I think in the long term, it has a very fruitful future. Michael Burry predicted the housing market crash. Yeah, I mean, anybody who was looking at the insanity that was happening then could see that the euphoria was so high that there was going to be a crash. I'm not trying to discredit him. You know, I think The Big Short was a great movie, for example. But I don't think because of that, he's somehow right on Tesla. I think he's entirely wrong on Tesla. I think it's stupid to short Tesla. I think it's really dumb. I don't care. Like, let the thing go down to 700 or whatever. I'm going to keep buying this because it's going to skyrocket again. It moves up in 21-day cycles. What? Facebook smartwatch?
Reportedly would work with a cellular connection. It could connect with fitness apps such as Peloton's, and it would run on an open source version of Google's Android software, though Facebook is also reportedly working to build its own operating system for future hardware. Facebook, of course, moved into hardware with its Oculus VR headsets and its Portal home devices. With the smartwatch, there could be privacy pushback, but it does give more insight into Facebook saying that Apple is its biggest competitor, something it put out there in its battle over Apple's operating system change. That's coming up, guys. Back over to you.
Julia, thanks so much for that. Still ahead.
It's interesting. An Apple or a Facebook watch. I don't know. I feel like you get into the ecosystem with Apple, you just have such an easy set. TRXC. I don't even know what that is. I have no idea what that is. Yeah, something I have to look into a little bit more. Oops. Let's go here. There we go. So, separate from their land casinos. Oh. Okay. Online gaming, separate from their land. Yeah, I don't know. I wrote that one down. We'll look at. I see what you keep saying about AGTC. But I'm not sure why that matters. I mean, who is this company? Okay, but anyway, let's look here. Oh, there we go. Oh, these are the warrants. Oh, darn. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. So the actual stock's only up 1%. Darn, I got excited for no reason. Oh, Matterport's up, though. So in the after hours, Naked, Sundial, Dave & Buster's, VGAC down, Fubu, GameStop down. GameStop given up some of half of what its gains were today. CCIV 39, not a big deal. OGI, I'm a little bit more bullish on than BNGO. I just don't understand BNGO as much. I do want to do some more research on BNGO. I know it had a good day today. Let's see. Okay, what else do we have? Fuel cells down a little bit. Express, Airbnb. Gore's the Matterport SPAC pushing 2%. I love it. Keep pushing. Let's mouse this thing up. Very low volume. Don't buy this in after hours. Like seriously, if I put in a big buy order right now, it would just skyrocket. It's not worth it. I wouldn't buy it or sell it in the after hours. Way too small. CRISPR coming back up a little bit. Okay, OGI, let's get this thing pushing. We got to get this up. If the solar car charger is also connected to the grid, that would be good. Yes. If it's also connected to the grid, yes, that would be good. Beams can only deliver up to 245 miles a day. See, that was my expectation. And honestly, I think that's high. I think that's I don't even think they can pull that off. I mean, maybe they can, but that, yeah, no. Let's see. Bought my first shares of Tesla today. 6 shares at 800. Good job. Good job. Oh, essential hard worker. That's awesome. Good for you. Congratulations. Keep those. So Quantum moving up as well. Quantum actually taking the lead right now at 1.56% up in the after hours. Naked taking the loss lead. EXPI, let's see. Funky candles again from margins. Ford, Blink. Yeah, you know, these guys have sold off a bit too. The charging companies like the Blinks and the others. We've had some sell-offs over these guys as well. But let's see how Blink has been doing. Oh, but it's been trending up. You know, yeah, we've seen these sell-offs, but it just continues to trend up. You know, yeah. Here's just almost straight up. The exception of SBE's been doing a lot worse. You know, hit some highs and then pretty much just down. Microvision going up fractionally. Affirm. Okay. The warrants. These are the warrants. I'm gonna get rid of this. Delete that. There we go. Tops kind of gave up. I mean, we're getting another. Oh wait, hold on here. Let's go to the 1 minute. There we go. Yeah, kind of blew its top over here and it came back down. A lot of the euphoria went away really fast there. I don't know if it was that Seeking Alpha article. That Seeking Alpha article. That bull was not very happy. It is. I think it is Topo Chico time. See, I can't even talk anymore. Anyway, so look, we're holding what we added this morning into next week. We'll see what happens. Obviously, Churchill Capital has done phenomenally for us. Tesla, we're holding that thing to the moon. Clever, we're holding that for the next year and a half. Matterport, we're holding. Etsy, Pinterest, Redfin earnings, they're going to smash. I think Redfin earnings are going to smash. I'm really bullish on that one. Dropbox, MViz, good companies. Not for me, though. I'm going to spend some time this weekend, though, looking into these EV flying drone things that carry people like the eHang. If I was going to try to get into CCIV at this point, I'd probably wait to see what happens Monday, Tuesday. If we get a sell-off Monday, Tuesday, like a 10 to 20% sell-off, which would still be a drop in the bucket, we would still be way up on CCIV even with a 20% drop, right? 20% drop at $40 brings you to like 32 or whatever, still way up. That's probably where I'd be more interested in adding a little bit. I put a lot of money into Beam today. Should I sell it? Yeah, you know, I spent a lot of time talking about Beam. I think you really got to double down on your understanding of the company in terms of why are you buying it. Like all of the objections we came up with in this video, you should have a response to. Battery storage options, 24, 32, 43 kilowatt. That's, I mean, it just seems low because a car is like twice that. And that's my concern. Okay. All right. I got to go. Appreciate y'all. Topo Chico time. We'll see you next time. Thanks for being here.